Play. It's a busy day at Brendam Docks. Thomas and his friends.
You're a very naughty engine.
Who will make the next delivery? Thomas must deliver the engine parts to the steamworks.
The indignity.
Loaded. Show Cranky where the white flatbed is. That's it!
Hooray!
Diesel must haul the rubbish cans to Whiff's waste dump.
You have caused confusion and delay.
Help Cranky find the water barrels. Oops.
Cinders and ashes!
Silence! Snap the fat controller.
That's it! Let's lift and load.
Excellent.
Dirty Percy.
He must deliver the goats to Farmer McCall's farm.
Don't call me Dirty Percy.
Find the track that goes nearest to the tent.
Oh no, this is horrible!
It's Henry.
Must deliver the crates of fish to the fair.
Go!
A few moments later.
Hello, Farmer McCall.
Must deliver the pigs to Farmer Trotter's farm.